Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily block or disallow screenshots in WhatsApp app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Put likes, write comments after watching the video of this. And let us get down to our topic today. So, please open the WhatsApp app, go to the chats section, and then go to conversations or go to groups. And here, unfortunately, I will say right away, it is not possible to make or set such a function that a person cannot take screenshots of correspondence. You can only prohibit taking screenshots of photos or videos. And I will show you now how to do it. To do this, click on the plus at the bottom. Then select Cameras if you want to take a photo or a video, or select Photo if you want to send something already taken. Select some kind of photo. And then further down at the bottom, Friends, you'll have an icon like this. You'll have to swipe until it says that the photo will only be shown once. After that, you can safely send it and also the video itself. With this feature, the photo will disappear as soon as the person views it. That is, it will open only once, and if a person opens it once, sees something, wants to make a screenshot of the screen, then they won't be able to open it again. This is the way, friends, you will be able to disallow screenshots in WhatsApp. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.